views and opinions expressed in this podcast are those of the host and guests and do not necessarily reflect those of the producers, network, or sponsors. Listener discretion is advised.
Is AI going to replace us?
True. Mawalan na ba tayo ng trabaho?
That's the main question. So, where do we start? Wow, ang daming cheese. Ma-cheesy pala ito. Let's ube cheese. Okay. Sponsored by? Sino nag-sponsor nito? Sino yung business natin dito sa Ube Cheese?
Yung mother namin.
No way!
Yes, siya yung nag-bake nito.
Oh, way! Tikman natin
Yes.
yan. Si Mother. Thank you.
Sige.
Si we'll try.
Later
May
na.
tissue dito. So ang tanong, will AI replace Mamita for creating baking ensaymada? Ma-automate ba ang baking na ensaymada ng AI?
Posible. Pwede.
Or baka siya ang may trabaho, tayo wala na.
Oh. Baka nga kasi traditional eh. Pero what are our thoughts? Let's ask these guys over here just to see kasi Shane, what do you do ba?
I'm an HR assistant po and procurement assistant.
HR assistant procurement. So the main question is, can we automate your job with AI? Is
Yes
it possible?
Yes po, definitely. Because yung AI po, it helps to automate repetitive tasks.
Can we speak up kasi mahina. Itong mic. Okay, good.
Yun po. Yung AI po helps automate tasks po, or yung mga repetitive tasks po like scheduling, email management, tapos po mga data entries. So, as an HR assistant po, malaking bagay po yung AI like ChatGPT, alam po yan ng lahat. When it comes po to email corresponding, pag may hindi po ako alam, magre-rely or I will seek assistance po through ChatGPT. Magpa-prompt lang po ako ng correct words para po mabigyan niya po ako ng appropriate input po para makapag-send po ako nung gusto ko pong email na i-reply po sa mga applicants.
Si Shane masyado formal. Masyado formal.
Nahiya siya.
Kwentuhan lang tayo, hindi to job interview.
Relax lang.
Pakita mo yung sino ka.
Parang, tell us what you do in your job. Pero yung tanong ko, expendable ka ba? So, what do you think, Andrea? Expendable yung mga ganyan trabaho?
Depende. Kasi kung anong i-offer, kung kaya niyang makikeep up o hindi. Diba? Or kung kaya niyang mag-deliver ng task. Usually kasi naman ang client ganun eh. Diba? More of output base. I don't care how you get it done as long as you get it done.
Oh, that's an advantage in our
Diba?
industry. Okay.
Yes.
Ikaw, bro, Arnel. What do you think? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon as of now?
I'm sa digital marketing,
Okay.
social media, email marketing, tapos podcast, mga ganun.
So yung mga yan, kasi if you're doing content creation, you can't automate that yet eh. Hindi pa no?
Hindi pa siya sa ngayon, pero pwede siyang makatulong. Mas lalong siyang gagaan yung trabaho mo. Hindi ka na mag-iisip. Hindi ka tulad dati na iisipin mo pa paano gumawa ng content. Mag-conceptualize ka pa pag wala ka sa mood. Hindi mo magagawa. Pero dito kasi utusan mo na yung ChatGPT in particular. Tapos ngayon kasi meron siyang bagong feature ngayon ng ChatGPT at saka yung Canva
Okay.
na you can integrate. Uutusan mo lang yung ChatGPT kung anong design na pwede mong gawin sa Canva. It's easy. Seconds lang, makakapag-create ka na ng concept.
So yung prompts, may integration na? So may prompts and then Canva. Again.
Canva.
Wow.
Tapos,
Okay.
logo creation, lahat ng CRM, nandun na lahat actually sa ChatGPT.
Pero it's still under your inputs. So
Yes.
it's still,
Yes.
halimbawa wala ka. Walang output kung wala ka.
Yes. Kasi
Okay.
hindi siya in itself, hindi siya yung sarili niyang gumagawa siya. Kailangan niya to conceptualize it. Like for example, gagawa ka na, create me an artwork image for real estate. Bibigyan ka niya. Tapos, can you add circle? Can you add background? Can you add something like this? wala siyang sariling concept, but you have to prompt, you have to command para ma-create niya talaga hanggang sa ikaw ang mag-finalize pa rin.
So safe ka.
Safe pa rin.
Safe ka.
Safe
For
pa
now.
rin talaga siya. Yes,
For now.
actually, nakakatulong siya sa VA kasi hindi mo na kailangang pahirapan ng sarili mo doon And then, the advantage is, kung kaya mong gawin sa isang client yan, you can add more clients, mas mapapadali mo yung trabaho mo sa kanila.
So advantage siya.
Malaking advantage
Oh,
sa kanila.
okay.
Hindi siya threat actually.
What's your name?
Vea.
Vea. Anong role ni Vea ngayon?
Training assistant and executive assistant.
So training assistant. Sa executive assistant kasi hindi pa, you're not replaceable yet.
Yeah.
Pero sa training assistant, are you in danger of losing your job?
I don't think so. Kasi sa training, kailangan pa rin ipapakita mo pa rin kung sino ka as a trainer. Tapos, yung connection mo with the trainees, hindi mapapalitan niya ng AI. Kahit nasabihin mo with a tone of like this, still, ikaw pa rin yun, yung personal touch mo pa rin yung naandun when you talk with the trainees.
Okay, makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
Actually, kung ang business mo kasi is in you're selling services, 'di ba? May mga automation, oo. Pero if you're selling services, you're connecting with people So may human intervention. That's the difference. If you're selling products, edi is automate mo lang yan, set up mo lang yan, magbabrowse na lang sila kahit sa digital brochure. Tapos sasagot na lang yung mga chatbots. Pero pag services kasi, hahanapin ng clients yun ng customer mo, yung human touch. Diba?
So why don't we discuss what are the jobs na ma-overtake ng AI within the next 2 years, sabihin natin? I think that's an interesting part kasi we need to know which is expendable in terms of money.
Yes. Siguro, unang-una dyan, as I see it, mga content writers.
Oh.
Copywriters.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Kasi pagka na-train mo na si AI, na-feed mo na yung AI na yun, na-train mo na on that particular, dagdag ka lang ng dagdag The more you feed, the more you train, the better your AI will produce, good content. So, at first, initially, may human intervention kasi ikaw magte-train bilang tao, ganyan. Pero as you go along, di ba? Ganon. Siguro, hindi naman totally ma-replace kasi ikaw pa naman magre-refine nun and all. However, talagang malaking decrease.
Okay. So they're not safe. So yung mga siguro, yung mga content writers ngayon or yung mga technical writers, mag-upskill na kayo sa ibang skills.
Totoo. O kaya, they learn how to use AI on their advantage. Pwede yun Kagaya nung sinabi ni Arnel, the more na gumagamit ka ng AI to be efficient and productive, mas kaya mo tumanggap ng multiple clients. Diba? May na-attendan akong AI na conference. Nakapagsulat siya ng libro using ChatGPT.
Wow.
Diba?
The problem is still they are, I think siguro they're the first wave na mababawasan talaga.
Mababawasan, oo.
Yeah, first wave. Kasi it's all about writing na ChatGPT came out with more on the write-ups or more the text-based
Totoo
intelligence,
yun.
di ba?
Kasi if a person can write, yes, kung writer ka, magaling ka sa writing. However, kung imamatch ka dun sa taong equipped with ikaw, traditional writer ka, dun sa isa, konti lang ang idea niya writing, pero kaya niya mag-automate, mag-prompt ng AI. Level yun.
So, talagang we have to warn those content writers now. So, mag-shift na kayo. Wala na, mag-shift. No choice. Right?
Yes.
For me, din siya sa perspective ng clients, hatili sila. May mga client tayo na ayaw nila ng masyadong engineered yung sulat, masyadong engineered ang graphics, video, content. Napapansin nila na it's too engineered. Walang natural, hindi siya natural. At wala siyang emotion.
Oh, may ganun.
Like I've read the other day, AI can write you a joke, but AI cannot make a funny thing.
Cannot be fun.
Walang humor.
Walang humor. Pwede siya magsunod ng joke pero hindi kanya pwede patawanin. Sa tao, pwede kang patawanin. Kahit hindi siya magsusunod.
Okay.
So that's the... Hati kasi, yung mga client ko kasi, dahil nga yung iba-ibang client, ayaw nila ng masyadong ChatGPT, masyadong engineer.
Kasi nadidetect ata ni Google. Right?
Nadidetect din talaga siya.
So they know if it's AI generated or real.
Yes.
Kahit may mga spinners doon. I think intelligent na rin yung mga Google algorithms. They know what's real or not. Yeah.
Ang problem ngayon kasi sensationalize lang nila yung AI.
Too much. I
Too
think
much.
they over-sensationalize.
Yes. Long before may mga AIs na yun, di ba? Alam mo, yung mga engineers, yung mga people work with numbers.
Mhm.
Nagsimula sila noon mano-mano. Pero nung na-invent naman ang calculator, they use calculator.
Yes. It's our input pa din. Calculator.
Oo,
Yeah.
diba? So, they're using tools already.
Yes.
Yung mga
yes.
farmers, dati mano-mano mag-farm. Pero ngayon may mga machines na.
Drones
even the
na.
factory. So, ano yung difference niyan ngayon sa atin sa digital workforce? Too much sensationalism lang talaga yan.
True. Pero content writers and technical writers, they're in danger of losing their jobs.
Yes.
It can decrease substantially.
And with that decrease, talagang lose their jobs, di ba? So, okay, let's talk about a different profession naman. Apart from writers, sino? Next.
Guys, kayo, sa tingin niyo, sinong pwedeng mawalan ng
What do you do?
Sa ako po ay I'm doing HR recruitment and recently project management. So siguro ngayon ang challenge, actually, in-instruct ako na mag-conduct, let's say sa HR. Maghanap ako ng flaws.
Okay.
So, hindi ko siya tinitake as, i-replace ni AI si marketing. Pero parang mag-help siya makat yung hindi kailangan. Tapos, i-replace siya ng mas kailangan. Doon ko siya tinitake. For example, sa application. Application namin is, for example lang po, sa isang, pwede po ba sa isang applicant, ganito yung gastos. Mas kinakain yung oras ng transcribing. Tapos, meron pong part na sa initial application ni applicant, nandun na yung details. Sinuggest ko po to sa TL ko. Sabi ko, i-cut natin itong part na to sa interview. At the same time, makakat yung transcription. So, mababawasan yung cost dito. Though ang pangit is maapektuhan yung oras ng BA, pero mag-isip tayo ng way para mas maging better, mag-benefit din sa BA.
Kasi part kasi ng management, ano yan eh. Titingnan mo yung cost efficiency, tsaka reallocation of resources.
Well, in terms of management, if you think about it,
Like that. Oo, commercially.
oo,
Oo.
nasa management level tayo. So, what we desire is more efficient in terms of cost-effective in terms of hiring staff. And they would rather invest in tools. I'll give you guys one example. I'm not sure if you guys are aware. I talked to a friend of mine 2 years ago. Okay, she is an executive level in a big, I don't want to mention their name, pero malaki sila. Their name starts with an A. Yun na lang, A. And they're global, So, hindi lang sila BPO, but they're engineers and that. So, the company starts with the letter A, and they've invested, I think, $1 billion $1 billion for AI. And this was 2
years back.
2 years or maybe a little more. And this was way back, So, they invested in AI tools. And then, ang nangyari, nakaroon ng retrenchment ng 10,000 employees worldwide. Except, hindi nadamay ang Pinas. Because customer service apparently we still hold the best customer service performance in Pinas. Okay, but in other countries like Japan, US, Europe, 10,000 in total yung tinanggal nila. They were replaced with AI. Yun. And this was 2-3 years ago. Right now, we don't feel the effect, pero yung mga employees back then, wala. Lahat severance package. Kasi mas malaki yung masisave nila in terms of operational cost And I'm just not sure ano yung na-replace, but they said, ang dami na, ano. So, I'm thinking, one, doon sa engineering part, yun yung naisip ko, kasi why do you need programmers and coders anymore? I think yan yung next, apart from writers, programmers.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo nga.
Yan yung next. So, if you're, for example, ako, by profession, I'm a web developer, right? I know how to program, pero yung mga iba, for example, programmer ng Python or yung mga Oracle programmers, hindi na kailangan ng programmers. You just tell AI what to do, it
Yes.
programs you.
Yeah.
So I think they're next in line, yung mga programmers. Kasi ChatGPT, hindi ako rockstar programmer, pero if I can't solve a problem or if I want to create a solution for a certain problem, I'll just tell ChatGPT, create me a plugin na ganito, ganyan. And it works. Wala yung ng mga programmers. Designers, not so much. UI designers.
Kasi yung eye for design
Exactly.
Hindi kaya ibigay ni AI yung eye for design.
Exactly. Pero pag programming, sabi ko, CSS mula to HTML, kahit the simplest form, nako, you're in trouble. Right? Hindi sila aware. Feeling na iba, puro VA mawala ng trabaho. But they're not sure that engineers, programmers, sila. Mga architectural engineers, and all they do the math and all that. Wala. Architects, on the other hand, they're safe. So creativity. But engineers in general, yung mga gumagawa ng structural blueprints and all this with the calculation, the load and all that, wala. They're also in danger, but not directly. Kasi I don't think any construction company will be interested in letting go. I don't think they're confident enough that an AI can do a human's work. So I think yun, our next programmers. Diba?
Possible.
How long para mag-aral ng programming? Let's say Python, how long? 5 years? 4 or 5 years? Oh, fast track, 3 years. But then let's say a company like A, ba't kita i-hire? Kasi AI can do everything, can do your job in less than 30 minutes. Ikaw, 8 hours kailangan mo? Yan, 30 minutes. No?
Alam mo, actually, issue din yan, hindi lang sa workforce, pati sa academe. Professors, syempre, how would they know, di ba, na okay, yung mga output na sinubmit sa akin, AI to. Tapos plus yung mindset ng mga bata, ay, hindi ko nagagalingan to. Problema sa magulang, di ba, ng parents. Hindi na ako mag-aaral, mag-AI specialist na lang ako, kaya ko nang gawin yun. Like you mentioned, sa programming, classmate ko nag-aaral 5 years. Ako, minaster ko yung AI. Nag-stop ako ng pero naging AI specialist ako.
AI specialist meaning magaling mag-prompt.
Oo.
No? Yan.
Diba?
Who's next? Who's next in the line na mawawalan ng trabaho? Ikaw.
Para tayo nag-eradicate naman.
Hindi. We're warning them in the past.
True naman.
We're warning them.
Totoo yun.
Kasi yung iba, lipat ka na, writer ka na, lipat ka na. Wala.
Reality.
A Gen Z can beat you kahit 20 years experience ka. A Gen Z can beat you with a couple of prompts. Diba?
Oo. You mentioned Gen Z, si Gabo bata-bata. Diba? I mean, yung take, iba kasi di ba?
Ito yung tanong ko. This is an important topic for him in terms of AI. Kasi, for example, ito nag-aaral ng piloto. So, if we have autonomous cars, malapit na magkaroon ng autonomous aircrafts. Diba? It could be drones, it could be aircrafts, commercial. Actually, cargo meron na.
Yes.
Yung auto land, auto take off,
Yes. Yeah.
you're next. Shift ka na ng career. Diba? Shift ka na ng career. Diba? Sasabihin, hi, this is your AI pilot today. I'll be working from home.
Actually, for that sector, wherein dun sa aircraft industry, may mga students na studying ground school. So I think there would be a huge difference kung they do it ng actual yung pag-aaral nila ng ground school nila for flying school. So pag AI naman, I think in the long run, it would be a huge improvement, lalo na sa part ng mga aircrafts and mga pilots natin. Yeah, but for the academic sector naman, for AIs, there are actually AI checkers na. So those are what the professors use para makita nila if the student is actually using AI. So if there's a
Meron
yeah.
check.
But funny thing is, for example, yung mga college students, tapos I have, because I'm a former teacher, so yung mga students ko na college na sila ngayon, gagawa sila ng sarili ng essay, di ba? Tapos ilalagay na sa AI detector, which is coming from them naman daw talaga. Na-detect na AI daw siya. So, parang opposite yung ginagawa. Parang, saan tayo? Alin ba talaga alin dun yung paniniwalaan? Kasi sasabihin ng student, hindi ginawa ko po talaga yan. Tapos kapag iniran kay AI detector, na-detect na AI daw.
Well, at some point, they can see if it's AI and actually AI plus human written yung submission. So,
May certain percentage eh.
yes, may percentage
Oo.
for them to check. 50% AI, 50% ikaw mismo gumawa. And I think may structure yun. So, syempre teachers are known na parang they know their students at some point na syempre yun yung tinuturuan nila. So, they know the students' capabilities. So, if that certain student, not judging that student, pero they know na yung capability ng student na yun, seeing na, ay, kaya ba nitong gumawa ng ganito ka, well-worded, well-structured na essay, I think the solution is pwedeng ipagawa ulit, or,
Ipa-defense niya.
Oh,
di ba?
May tool na ginagamit eh. Turnitin.
Okay, so ano next job role na mawawala sa industry? Kasi kanina pilotry, right? So, ay next.
I think yung finance. Kasi meron na ngayong, I have a client.
Yeah.
Who is an AI expert with debt collection. Automation, lahat siya ng sariling maniningil, magre-remind, liquidate or lahat ng na yun. And then, ang pinakalas na is yung payment na. So, without human intervention.
That's that's anong tawag doon? Sa mga BS accounting, wala na. Change na.
Oo,
Yun na
kasi
mangyayari.
kung iisipin mo naman, sabihin nila, ay hindi, kailangan ng budget forecasting. Kaya mo naman tanungin yung software nun. An example si Xero. Xero is an accounting software. Xero can provide you a profit and loss report. Basta na-feed mo lahat doon.
In seconds pa, no?
Oo, receipts, invoices. Si JP, nag-apprentice siya ngayon for bookkeeping.
Change career.
Change career.
Change career.
Answers cannot be replaced by AI.
Saka yung din po, mga bank tellers. Kasi before po, di ba, wala pa tayong mga tinatawag na CAM, yung cash automated machine. Kasi yung CAM po, di ba, anytime or anywhere, basta merong CAM, makakapag-deposit ka, whether cash or check. Hindi na siya mismong gagamit face-to-face sa teller. May mga ganun na po. Like sa Hong Kong po, may mga banks din na makakapag-transact ka without contact sa you.
Should we mention the bank na tinutukoy mo?
Meron, may mga bank na ngayon kasi yung 2B, meron silang ganon.
Yung 2B.
Oo, na pwede ka na ako gumagamit ako pagka magde-deposit ako. At ayokong pumila, ang haba, di ba? Time consuming eh.
Yes.
So, doon na ako sa CAM.
Pero trinay ko yun yung deposit. It works, the machine where you could deposit cash. I think that works. The thing that doesn't work is yung ATM with the fingerprint and the...
I never tried that kasi medyo
I tried it. Just curious lang ako eh.
Did it work?
So slow. And then hindi...
Pa rin ito yung PIN.
Yeah, and hindi ma-recognize yung fingerprint ko at yung mukha ko.
Ang ganda.
Yes, lalo pag gabi or hapon. Yung
At
camera
sir,
niya.
sa fingerprint, di ba, kailangan moisty. Kailangan maglo-lotion ka pa para
Yung problema, fingerprint reader, kailangan linisin din. Kasi gasgas na yung
Totoo.
Tapos yung...
Nakakadagdag rin po yun sa anxiety. Pag fear mo na baka mamaya meron ng... Sa sobrang tagal mag-antay po na mabasa yung fingerprint mo. Baka maisip mo na, baka meron nag-abang sa likod ko.
si 2B kailangan mag-invest sa AI. Yeah. Pero yun nga, bank tellers is a good, actually that's a very interesting. So Feedback eh. Okay. So, accounting firms, they're gonna fire all of their accounting BS accountants, right? So, mga hindi na I don't think if you have kahit sabihin CPA ka, may credentials, wala na. AI is gonna remove your CPA
Kasi
credentials.
sa virtual assistants, sa tagal ko, hindi tinatanong ng client, CPA ka ba? Or may license ka ba?
Oh, they don't care. As long as you cut their
Kung
taxes,
kaya
di
mo
ba?
gawin yun, oo. Totoo yun.
Tapos lalo malalaman, uy, mas mura pala mag-AI kaysa mag-VA. Eh, di ba?
Tsaka very smart na yung mga client ngayon. Alam nila yung AI. Sa UK clients namin, lagi na tinatanong, may idea ka ba sa AI? Alam ba yung ChatGPT? Alam ba yung ganito? Meaning, hindi mo sila pwedeng yung outsmart na, okay, BA ako, magaling ako. Pero sasabihin nila, marunong ka ba mag-AI? Marunong ka ba dito?
Part na ng interview yun,
So, ganun
tsaka
sila.
qualification ng client. Just this year, rather last quarter of 2024, meron ng client na nagsabi sa akin nun, Andrea, I need a VA who is familiar with AI.
Gone are the days, kailangan ko ng VA na graduate ng Ateneo, may CPA, mga ganun.
Yes. And yun, question din yun, di ba? VA ka, di ka papalitan, pero kaya kang palitan ng taong marunong mag-AI.
Scary, especially sa finance. Scary. That's very scary. Ang next naisip ko, which is kind of related to yours, kasi it's, well, what's your industry? Anong tawag sa industry niyo? Flight industry? Pilot
Aviation.
industry? Aviation. Okay, hindi siya part of aviation, but it is, yung mga space rockets. For example, yung kay Elon Musk. Di ba yun? AI guided yung spaceships niya landing, right? Tapos landing on an AI operated ship on sea. Di ba? AI assisted yun. And landing ng rocket ship dun sa fork, di ba? AI assisted. So, even going to space, AI na. What about on sea? Yung mga sea freights. Yung mga
Meron
malalaking
na yun.
ships. Mawawalan tayo mga seaman. Oh, kawawa naman sila. Wala. Hindi na sila pwede mababae. Kasi
Meron pang isa.
Ano?
Meron pang isa, yung mga taxi drivers. Kasi sa ibang bansa, meron ng mga...
Autonomous driving na.
Oh.
Yes, meron na. Meron ng mga taxi.
This is challenge for AI.
Yes.
This is a challenge for AI. You know why? Do you think makakabisado nila yung ugali ng mga drivers dito sa Pinas? Tsaka mga lubak?
Oh, hindi. Safe yung drivers ng Pinas.
Pero why not? Kung halimbawa, BGC siya. Halimbawa,
Yeah.
sa BGC lang yung vicinity niya, hindi siya lalabas ng BGC. Kaya yun. Kasi organized yung lugar. Like doon sa Subic,
Yes.
sa Makati.
Yes.
Wag lang sa
Wag sa Manila.
lugar lalabas.
Oh, ito yung
Pero pwede siya. Pwede talaga siya.
Hindi
Pasok
siya pwedeng pumunta sa pier area. Sa port area.
Pag dumaan si AI doon, wala nang AI na na-salvage niya lahat ng parts ng AI.
Pero
So-
why not kung talagang yung lahat ng bansa i-adapt yan? Possible yan eh. Kasi, for example, gagawa ka ng i-widen mo yung road, AI na rin yun. AI na rin ang gagawa no? Kasi engineers, perhaps architects, or lahat ng mga nag-design, pwede nilang gawin yun sa AI eh.
Hindi mangyayari yun. I'll tell you why. Mawawalan sila ng
Hindi yun i-approve ng government.
Yes, di won. Paano sila kikita? Di ba? Oh.
Otherwise, may offer. Alam na.
Kaya alam mo, yung... Sorry ewan ko. Baka ma-take down yung page mo.
No, sige, go. We're a podcast of controversial topics.
Yun yung kaya ang isa sa pinaka-huling mag-adapt ng technology ay government. Kasi pag in-automate mo yan, pag inano mo yan, hindi sila mag-a-apply ng cost efficiency dyan.
Mawawala sila ng trabaho. Sorry, hindi trabaho. Kita.
Kaya hindi sila after sa cost efficient.
We're not...
Hindi naman sila profit eh. They're not a company or business that gusto ng profit.
So ano ba gusto nila?
Lalagay sa bulsa nila. Ganun siya. Pero alam mo parang mababansagan tayo ditong firing squad. Isa-isang pina-fire sa trabaho.
No, but they have to know.
Yes.
Oh, they have to know. Pero very good inputs. Si Arnel, very, very, very excellent input. Finance pa lang, wala na. So ngayon, kinakabahan ngayon ng mga accounting students. Right?
Kaya.
Diba yun?
Pero
Tanong ko,
safe yung medical. Ewan ko baka behind lang ako. Kasi kagaya sa operations, kaya pagbibigay ng diagnosis. Pero minsan may nakikita na ako You just use your app, alam mo na yung BP mo.
well, an Apple Watch can do that.
Yeah, an Apple Watch. Pero may
Okay.
nakikita akong pwede may download sa phone daw, ganun. I don't know how accurate yung bagay na yun.
Let's go sa mga extremes, sa mga surgeries. I saw a video recently. Na experimental experimental procedure. They use AI to detect breast cancer sa mga women. So na-detect siya, parang it took only a few days to detect compared to ma-detect siya in 5 years time na stage 4 na. So na-detect yung cancer before lumaki siya into stage 1 or 2. So it's a very early so it's very effective. It saves lives. And when it comes to surgery itself, yung mga may mga robot hands na eh. Pero guided
meron.
pa din. Guided pa din
Meron.
by surgeons.
Kaya lang, ang dyan, accountability. Pwede mo ba sisihin yung yung robot yung nagkamali eh.
Pero feeling ko pumasok na. Pumasok yung AI is in medicine, but it's not spread kasi syempre sila din mamawalan ng especially
Siguro sa mga diagnosis, pwede.
Yes. Yun tama.
Kasi sa isa sa inatanang kong AI conference, supplier siya ng medical equipment sa hospital.
Okay.
Meron na talagang mga engineered na mga medical equipments. Pero it costs millions of millions talaga.
And I don't think matagal ma-adapt yan kasi doctors won't agree na can an AI diagnose you? Di ba? Pero wala pa tayo doon. But there's a lot of movies about it na
Pero
lumalabas.
hindi imposible.
Kasi yung mga sci-fi movies back then, it was impossible to have autonomous.
It's happening now.
Yes, it's happening now. Everything that we watch in the past, it's happening now. Di ba? Kulang na lang.
Project na nila eh.
Tapos may space travel na tayo. Right? People want to go to Mars. People are investing in space travel. So, I think it's happening. Di ba? AI nga was sci-fi back then. Right now, it's happening. Pero hindi pa sila sentient. Meaning, they could think for themselves. Diba? Thinking na, I have feelings, I know this, I know what's wrong, what's right. Diba? So wala pa tayo doon. Nandun pa din tayo sa initial phase where we're using it as tools. So, next,
How about kung pag-usapan natin yung job na hindi ma-replace ng AI? Like funeral homes. Hindi naman pwedeng work from home yung
Embalmer.
uwi mo na ako sa bahay. Dadalhin ko yung patay doon kasi involved ko doon, work from home.
Work from home ka, embalmer ka.
I mean, those are
makes a lot of sense.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-replace.
Pero hindi, may machine. May machine.
I think machine pa
Pwede
din.
naman yung mag-machine.
Ito, kasi, okay, this is not...
Hindi siya, I mean, kasi halimbawa, namatay siya dahil nga na-murder siya. Hindi pwede ng machine yun eh. Kasi kailangan
Autopsy,
yun.
yan. Pero hindi, mayroong mga detector pa din naman siguro.
Pwede siguro. Pero, siyempre yung license nun eh. Yung license nun, yung machine, hindi naman siya nag-aral, hindi siya license. Pero yung embalmer, license siya. Siya ang pipirma.
Ay, kung
Paano
sa
kung may
bagay,
error
kasi
yung
pipirma pinipirmahan ng embalmer ang death certificate.
Sa bagay.
Yes, paano kung nag-error yung machine, tapos siya ang pipirma. Siya ang at least doon.
Pumipirma, license kasi ang mga embalmer talaga eh. And they have to sign the death certificate for it to be processed.
Is the embalmer, sila din yung, when they do an autopsy, I'm not familiar with, when someone does an autopsy, iba pa din yung, kasi they need their signature as well, yung nag-autopsy, to find the cause of death. Embalmer is just,
Fina-facilitate lang siguro. Pero iba yung nag-autopsy talaga itself.
Okay,
Pero
that's
silang nagbibigay ng result doon sa license. Like, because I have a friend na embalmer talaga siya. Siyang parang sila na rin yung nagbibigay ng resulta anong nangyari, ano yung cause ng
Siguro co-signee.
I see.
kasi license siya eh.
Malay mo ba kasi St. Peter invested in AI? Si St. Peter, high-tech. Sila yung una nagpausa ng e-burol.
Oh, true.
Di ba? Baka ipausa na ng
AI burol na yun.
AI burol. Di ba?
Hindi na i-burol eh. AI burol na eh.
How about teachers?
Possible? Sa tingin mo?
Ma'am.
connection pa rin po. The connection with the kids, with the learners, different pa rin po yung binibigay na sympathy, empathy ng isang teacher when it comes to learning. There are different learning dahil sa book, yes, pwede siyang palitan ni AI, but learning from what you experience from the teacher and the life itself, hindi.
Have you seen the movie named Mother?
No.
Sa Netflix siya. Watch it. It's scary. Not in a sense, it's a sci-fi movie. But it's scary in a sense where yung AI na robot,
Yung nanny?
AI-powered robot, is the mother who raised the child. And that's just a movie that we could watch now. 10 years from now, it could happen.
It could happen.
Yeah. And then in the movie, the child grows up na emotional, malambing, so she's scared and the robot is just parang robotic pa din eh. Parang don't be scared. Ini-explain lang niya.
Walang emotions.
Walang emotions pero robotic talaga. Pero hindi advanced robot pero walang
Wala pa rin connection. Yun yung sinasabi ni Vea kanina.
So that's what we think right now. Pero what if in the future, makakaroon ng connection? If they could adapt with the way they could write a story and create a book, why can't they adapt with speech?
Pero kasi, if we're going to look at it, you can raise, but you cannot nurture using an AI.
Probably. But the mere fact...
Nurturing is different kasi talaga from raising lang.
True. I agree.
Kasi, di ba, I mean, it's a design pa din talaga for a family.
Pero it can be possible because of the rise of the information. Like yung mga bata ngayon, pag sinabi mong Gen Alpha and then Beta. So, feeling nila entitled sila sa lahat ng bagay and they're more advanced than us. Posible yon. Ang danger dyan, we, in the future, mag-raise ng bata na walang emotion, but intellect.
Robotic.
Magiging robotic siya eh. And, well, the danger is it will bring more rebellious kids. Entitled kids. Kasi, halimbawa, may mga traditional, for example, I'm a traditional father. Tapos in the future, sasabihin ko sa mga bata, oops, no, that's not what AI said. That's not what I've learned from. Because advance yung information nila rather than the traditional father. That's a danger.
Parents cannot be replaced with
That's why sabi ni Philip kanina, possible yun. 10 years from now. Walang imposible yun eh. Because nag-i-innovate yan eh.
Tama.
And maybe in 10 years' time, maybe to the Gen Alpha or Gen Beta na lang. Kasi sila yung wala na tayo by that time. Eh. By that time, maybe yung sinasabi mong nurture is now part of nature na. Tama ba? Nature and nurture. Diba? So parang syempre nurture kasi lambing, warmth and all that. Maybe in the future, that's not the case anymore.
Heartless na.
Maybe heartless. Functional. Functional, no emotions. Functional for surviving.
So,
more.
mag-anak na kayo ngayon pa lang para hindi abuti ng heartless generation.
You hear that? Damihan mo na yung panganay mo. Mga panganay mo.
Possible kasi, di ba? Dahil nga, may mga ipinanganak na hindi involved ang lalaki at babae, di ba? Yung bang,
Engineer.
Engineer na eh. Sino ba tawag niya?
In vitro. IVF. In vitro fertilization.
Pero in vitro is through a human being.
Pero may test tube babies.
Yun. Pero yung test tube babies, sinasaksak pa din sa tao. How about yung lab babies talaga? Who were grown in artificial womb? Meron na. Mga cloning and all that.
Meron talaga.
Which we watch in the movies before. 5, 10 years ago.
oo.
Cloning. Ngayon may cloning na.
Totoo na yun. Tama.
Baka nga yung, hindi natin alam, yung mga nakakasalubong natin, mga AI na yun.
No, baka may isang araw, no? Normal people. Ay, yun yung AI humahalo sa normal people. Again, napapanood din natin yun.
Yeah.
May movie na yan in the past na naglalakad sila, mukhang tao, pero mga ano pala sila, mga robot pala, mga AI pala sila.
I think I know the movie Invasion ata.
Nag-eradicate na ng mga ano.
Yun pala, humans pala yung pumunta to eradicate them kasi they're the ones who took over. Interesting movie. So what other jobs and roles na would...
Ako, I want to hear from you guys. How about yung sa hospitality?
Walang tatalo dyan sa mga Pinoy. Hospitality.
Hindi yung sa hotels, yung mga receptionist. Kasi pwede, may mga AI, may mga ano na ngayon eh. Pag
Right.
magcha-check-in ka, sa ibang bansa, normal na yun. Virtual receptionist na, yung nakaano na. Screen na, okay, I'm going to check in
Oh.
back.
I'm not saying it's a low-level job, but all I'm saying, as a receptionist, concierge, yeah. Shift na kayo ng careers. Doon sa kayo sa concierge. Asan po yung saan yung yellow cab dito? Ay, sir, yung second floor. Next minute, AI. Where is yellow cab?
Oh, malls are already adapting it. Pamunta ka sa SM. Di ba may malaki silang ganun? Pindutin mo, okay, directory, restaurants.
Yeah.
Before, we're just asking yung mga guards tsaka concierge.
Right now, na?
Some of the fast food restaurant din po, like Jollibee, in Cebu ata po yun, meron po silang robot.
Yung servers?
Yes.
Yung nagsiserve?
Meron na.
Oh.
Sa mga Jollibee and McDo na rin po, pwede ka na mag-order via dun po sa machine.
Doon na talaga
Hindi
nila
lang po sa
i-require.
cashier mismo.
Sumawa na tayo ng mga waiters. Yes, hindi na kailangan tip.
Possible yun.
Pero, another problem, may nakita ko na pumalya yung robot. Parang nagwala. Natapon yung mga pagkain.
Oh no.
Oh.
Rebellion na yun.
Kasi, di ba, let's say, naging parang humina yung battery, hindi mo na-charge or whatever, short circuit ba yan?
Terminator, na? Terminator.
Pero wala accountability yung AI. Like sa tao, bakit mo ginawa yan? Bakit ka nagkamali?
Yes.
So meron siyang chance na uulitin, babaguhin niya. Pero yung AI, hindi mo alam kung kailan yung chance niya na ikutin niya yung work niya.
Risk din
Kasi
for,
technology yan eh. Mapifail talaga ang technology.
tama.
Regardless kung gaano siya katagal.
again, risk yun sa business owners.
It's a big risk.
Accountability.
Yeah. For as of now, in the future, give it another 5 years. Maybe we'll see wala na tayong waiters.
Possible.
Parang sa yung parang last time sa Baguio, hindi siya kilalang restaurant. Tapos meron doon yung robot, hindi pa siya kilalang restaurant talaga. Yung robot, nakaka-detect kung may nakaharang na tao. Mag-make face siya.
Ah, talaga?
Mag-mimic
Sa Good
face.
Taste?
Sa Good Taste, yan.
Oh, sa Good Taste. Ito kayo sa Good Taste.
Alam niya kung may nakaharang, tapos i-approach siya kung ano yung parang naka-make face or...
Na umalis ka sa dadaanan ko.
Yan yung parang sa video.
Susunod, may taser na yun eh. Titaser na yung tao.
Di ba? Sa music industry, may nakakapag-compose na ng kanta.
Even ChatGPT.
Yes.
Excuse. Pero,
Composer.
again,
That's a good one.
it can compose,
That's a
pero
good
it cannot give you a tune. Example, yung binagsak mo nung nag-judge ka. In-AI nila yung kanta.
Kaya pala bagsak kayo, no?
It can make a lyrics but it cannot give a tune.
Tama. No, that's interesting kasi how would they know kung original composition yung kanta? Right?
Yes.
Good one. That's a good one. So, from writers to musicians now, ano pa? Yung dalawa na kupo doon. Sino yung may mga thoughts kayo about AI? Okay, videographers. Is AI going to replace videographers? Sa tingin nyo?
I think na. Iba pa rin kasi yung instinct ng actual videographers. Mas mautak pa rin. But they could create something different, pero sabi nga, mas mataba ang utak ng Pilipino.
Filipino. Bias masyado tayo. Yeah, so safe ang ito. Okay, forget videographers, video editors. Yan. Yan. May mga apps na, right?
Hindi man totally yung mag-get rate kasi sino man mag-feed?
Sa bagay. And actually, everything else here is, may input ng
May input.
ng
Pero
tao.
siguro nga, madi-decrease significantly.
Could be. Lalo yung mga basic. For example, social media reels, stories, pictures, and all that. Yan. Large decrease.
Or work smart, not work hard.
Work smarter, not harder.
That too. Papasok na lang yung creativity in directing, yung style Yun yung style. That's what AI can't follow yet. AI. Pero right now, di ba may AI for video generation? Right? For ChatGPT as well. I can't remember what the name was. Pero ano pa din siya in beta mode pa din siya.
Recently, last week, meron akong hindi ako na-discover, meron ako narinig from the client. I don't know kung isa si Veron dun sa umate ng interview. You can check out Sintra AI.
Yun nga, that one.
Sintra,
I think it's that one.
The Sintra can provide you with 12 employees. Business Development Manager, SEO, social media, customer service, virtual assistant, marketing manager. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibaba sa 12 employees. Yes.
Under how much? Magkano ang Sintra?
Yun ang hindi ko alam.
And yun nga, it has to, okay, kung if they can provide 12 employees that you can control, is it much more cost efficient? So let's say magkano siya so far?
Pero kasi,
Sintra.
you can
Sintra
check.
AI.
Kaya lang, if it's 12 employees, rather than paying 12 people, actual persons, magkano din yun? At gaano kabagal? Kumpara dun sa AI, mas mabilis. Ako personally interested ako aralin yung Sintra. Hindi dahil gusto kong palitan yung mga tao sa amin. I mean, kasi positioning, hindi kasi if you're going to position yourself, dapat alam mo.
Yep.
Alam mo yung edge mo. Halimbawa, kung ako, HR assistant ako at may nagra-rise na AI para sa HR assistant, kailangan sabayan ko to. Kailangan mas manatili ako, kagaya na sabi ng videographer. Kailangan manatili kang mas matalino kaysa sa AI.
Bali, ano po siya? $97 per month for 12 employees.
Wow, for 12. Pero for
Below minimum yun
yeah, for one employee, 39.
For one employee.
For one employee. Per month.
Per month.
Kung isa-isa lang ang ifa-function mo.
Yeah, 39
Pero-
per month.
Ano yung 97 package?
97, 12 employees.
Package.
Oh my God.
Sintra X plan.
And they'll work 24 hours a day.
Yes.
Ang tanong ko lang, itong mga AI, what about in language barrier? I'm sure mabilis sila mag-adapt. So for example, in Tagalog, operations in the Philippines, in Tagalog, will it work? Will they get our slangs, our dialects, will it work? Kasi English, okay, given, yeah. What about in our language? Kaya ba nila mag-Bisaya?
When we say, siguro sa ngayon, hindi pa ganun ka-fine-tune. Pero ka-refine, pero eventually pwede. Kasi minsan, di ba sa example, minsan ginagawa pang mga meme, nagka-translate si Google, tapos nakakatawa iba yung translation sa Tagalog.
Yeah.
Pero pagka na-refine yon, yung process na yon, na mas na-engineered siya, possible.
Kasi accessible naman yung interpretation ng dialects online. Possible talaga din siya.
Pero hindi siya accurate.
Hindi
siya.
lang.
Lahat naman ng AI siguro hindi accurate. Pero possible talaga lang.
In the English language, it's getting there na. Pero
Yes.
dito sa foreign language,
Matagal pa siguro. Kasi if you're using an English language, you can use it as a note taker. Mas madali ang transcription.
Tama.
Pero kung ikaw ay nag-Filipino or other dialects, hindi nila kaya yun.
sabi ko kay Jack Mawatan.
Jack
What
Yes.
else? What else? Other roles, careers that
Na hindi ma-replace or
na ma-replace.
Mare-replace.
Wag na involve.
Kasi firing squad tayo dito.
Oo, we have to find out Kasi we're warning them. We're doing a good thing eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Di ba?
Kaya, Squid Game nga.
What other careers that can be replaced today by AI? Lawyers ba? Kailangan investigation and evidence and all of that. No?
Kasi kung i-replace ang lawyers, wala nang sense sa mga hearings. Sino naman magre-represent sa client?
witness kailangan.
Have you seen this video yung two AIs talking to each other?
No.
There's a video circling around. Ano siya? So, they tested like an AI, hotel assistant?
Yes.
Tapos yung isa may AI na EA wants to book a hotel. So, two AIs talking to each other. Yung isa, he introduced, I'm an AI assistant. Na ganito. And then the hotel assistant was like, I'm also an AI. So, and then they they said, why don't we talk in Gibberlink, which is AI language, which is much more efficient. It's over the phone line. It's over the phone line. They started talking, parang R2D2, yung sa Star Wars, yung puro noise lang. And then they got to communicate more, a little faster and much more efficient. So they knew what data they needed. So what if lawyers were kind of like that? Kasi AI lawyer, were you're the suspect, I'm the victim, whatever. They communicate in their language with the judge pa. That could happen. Right?
Possible din talaga siya kasi nung nangyari yung pandemic, di ba hindi pwedeng mag-hearing sa loob ng buwan.
Yes.
So nagano na sila, yung mga nakasystemize na, nag-Zoom. Nasa Zoom na sila nag-hearing. Kaya alam natin yung data nandun, yung witness pwedeng nandun, possible din talaga siguro siya kasi nga.
So safe pa din sila kasi hindi
Kasi may confidentiality pa din eh. Hindi
Sabagay.
pwede. Kasi pag yun AI, available sa web yun.
So
May,
siya
ang
open.
problema kasi may batas na nagpo-protect sa kanila.
Yes. That's
Diba?
so malayo ang So I don't think
Hindi.
Okay.
Malayo. So mag-lawyer na tayo, guys.
Mamaya.
Mag-sign up na tayo sa law school.
Pero I think maging possible pa rin siya in the future.
could be. Yeah, I would say so.
Siguro representation, pwede.
Yeah, that could work.
Diba? For representation. Pero yung ibang mga judicial proceedings, hindi.
Let's talk about non-skilled jobs or jobs that don't require a certificate as a skill. Let's talk about housekeeping, street sweeping, cleaning in general.
They're not safe.
Pwede.
Hindi
mga
sila
machines
safe?
na, oo.
Bakit?
Sa bahay na lang eh. May di ba may Robovac.
Sa bagay, may window cleaner din.
Sa street sweeping, pwede na din naman yun.
Pero AI in general, hindi okay, maybe they could run a washing machine pero hindi sila pwede magsampay after drying.
Pero may washing machine na hindi mo na kailangan magsampay.
Oh. Yun lang.
Meron na rin nagtitiklop ngayon.
Hindi, before meron sa Japan naalala ko siguro matagal na yun, na yung washing machine niya, nag-wash talaga siya after na the-dry. Tapos meron na siyang
Agatiklop, meron
phone
na.
talaga siya, matik.
Lahat na lang.
I think there's one industry that we haven't tapped, which is ito talaga malaking bawas, manufacturing.
Ay,
Manufacturing of all the products in retail,
Totoo.
everything, production in general, consumption of any type of product, this and that. Kotse nga, yung kay Elon Musk in Tesla, automated na lahat.
ang dami na layoff.
Yes.
Massive.
Massive. So, what about manufacturing, let's say ng ano yung favorite natin? Sardines. Mga sardines dito sa local, 'di ba? Packaging din, for packaging automated na din.
Kanin.
Yun. Pero yung cleaning ng fish hindi pa din. Or kaya na.
Meron na din.
Sa ibang bansa, meron.
Sa ibang bansa. Yung salmon, parang nadidetect yung salmon. Hinahati. Pero anything other than, for example, French fries or Yakult or ano pa, yun, wala na.
Process talaga siya.
So factory workers, meron pa din, wala. In risk ba sila? Are they in risk?
Possible din kasi nga may mga pag sinabi kasi ng AI, it involves machine
Yep.
technology.
Yep.
So kaya talaga siya. Possible din.
Tapos 24 hours pa
Pero
sila.
naalala ko yung movie ni Chocolate, si Willy Wonka.
Charlie,
Diba, si Charlie
Chocolate
ng Factory, diba, si Daddy, nagma-manual ng pagsisil ng cup. Tapos, right there and then, nagkaroon na ng robot. So, parang, he's a factory worker doon. So, nawala siya ng trabaho. So, possible talaga na mawala tayo ng...
Okay, what about, I have another what about cattle, poultry? Can it be AI operated? Farming. Yan.
Partly. Pero hindi talaga.
Farming, yes.
Partly, pero hindi pwedeng, hindi pwede. hindi pwedeng totally AI yun, ha?
Kasi di nila alam pa kung sino yung mga may sakit na nangyari po sa mga pigs, ganyan. Sino yun yung mga swine flu, ganun po. Parang hindi naman agad
Paano nagpaanak?
Yeah, that's also
Actually, possible din siya kasi una, pwede ding mag-formulate kasi ng milk na hindi siya galing dun sa hayop eh. May mga ganun na eh.
Yun pwede, alternatives plant-based. Oh yeah, yan kaya.
Tapos meron na ding meat na machine ang gumawa.
Yung parang 3D printer
Beef
pero
talaga siya.
yeah.
Na machine talaga. Nung tinikman nila, lasang talaga, totoong beef. So,
Pero plant-based siya. Plant-based siya.
example, kung magiging magkaroon ng improvement wala nang farm. Most likely wala nang mapuproduce ng mga animals. So people will switch into
Artificial na.
artificial. Kasi mas walang labor pero mas malaking kita nila. So they will purchase machines to do that.
I think possible yan sa US and Europe. Pero dito, matagal pa.
Nangyayari yun sa kanila kasi wala na halos greeneries sa kanila. Puro pavements na, di ba? Puro
yeah.
na. Dito sa atin may mga mountains, mga ganyan.
May danger din siya kasi for example, 'di ba? Wala na tayong farm, 'di ba? Yung mga farmers natin halos wala na siyang produce kasi natatalo tayo ng mga import. Kasi mas mababa yung kanilang bibilin doon rather than sa farmers na kukunin nila. This might be controversial pero that's the reality na mas nakakamura silang bilhin ang galing sa ibang bansa rather than purchasing or buying dito sa locals natin. So if I'm a farmer, gagawin ko na lang, sige, bigyan nyo na lang kami ng machine. Hindi na kami mag-farm pero parehas pa rin ang principle para kami naman kumita. I mean, possible talaga pag may technology, may internet. Possible talaga. Pero, syempre, yung natural naman. Pero do you think people will think of natural pa ba itong kinakain ko? Kailangan ko po ba ng natural na galing talaga, nakita ko yung paghiwa ng karne or hindi na. Hindi na eh. Kakain na ako dyan. Kung mukhang karne yan, kakainin mo na yan. Pero di ko alam kung sino gumawa niyan. Baka machine na yung gumawa niyan.
Ngayon nga, full of steroids na yung mga chicken natin, beef, and yung eggs natin, it's not as organic as it was before, di ba? And we don't care, we just eat them. You know? And everything in beef has steroids, kaya kala mo mataba yung baboy, mataba yung beef.
Yes.
Di pala, just full of steroids. Yeah. Okay, any other careers?
Siguro
or-
ang safe, isa sa safe dyan, mga police.
You think?
Mga police.
Bakit?
Sa Dubai.
Siyempre. Ha?
Dubai may
Sa outer space ka ba nakatira? Sa'yo possible.
Yes,
Ha?
kasi nga.
Ikaw pa ba yan? Nasawa ko, AI ka na. Ano ba?
Ang innovation and the advancement. Diba? I mean, if a country gusto niyang tumaas ang kanyang income, i-adapt niya ang in-adapt na ibang bansa. For example, sa Dubai may police, di ba? Na nag-overspeed yung, walang sasakyan yung police car. Pero, minardingan niya yung overspeeding. Walang ano yun, AI yun. Oh.
Pero you cannot get rid of the police totally.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oh, lalo sa
Unless
lalo
naging
mga-
di ba yung nilabas si Elon Musk, humanoids? Di ba yung humanoids na nilabas niya? Kasi that's gonna be AI powered, di ba? They're gonna think, they're gonna be your nannies, they're gonna be your drivers, they're going to be, it's far-fetched naman from now. Pero, give it another 5 years, baka reality na yan.
Pero ako kasi ang take ko dyan, I believe, yung mga elderly natin, they were able to adapt to technology gradually. 'Di ba? For them, kung ano yung technology natin ngayon, that's too much for them on their standpoint. The same way, kung Generation Alpha or Generation Beta, that's too much for us. Pero they can adapt sila, in generation nila, they can adapt to that.
For sure. No problem there. Tsaka, we're in the age of high-speed information kasi.
Mm-mm.
So high-speed na overclock tayo. Sobrang overload of information.
Dadating kasi sa point na whether you like it or not, you have to embrace change. A very good example, jeepney drivers. Tagal nilang inilaban yan eh. Egypt, ganyan. Gradually, meron na. Although, hindi pa sila na face out lahat. Pero, wala silang nagawa. Yung iba, they just embrace it.
Pero it's too slow kasi. Ang nangyari doon. Yung phasing out, too slow. Too slow.
Money talks again.
And I don't think farmers would be happy to use AI. They don't trust it. And mahal.
Yes.
Mahal. Yeah. In our case, sa Pinas, right? In other countries, ibang topic yan. Pero, yan. Oh, last call. We're an hour now. Last call. Usapan 15 minutes here. Last call. Any other careers who is in danger? I-warning natin sila.
Huling posisyon if a fire.
Oh, any other thoughts?
Kaya pwedeng replace ba yan?
Yung
Parlor?
Mga beautician,
Parlor.
barbers.
Feeling ko hindi.
Hindi, no?
Feeling ko hindi. What do you think?
Baka mamaya ibang cut yung gusto mo. Yung iba pala yung dinesign dito sa ano mo eh.
Hindi, kasi kung pwede din naman nila engineered yun.
Pwede. Ay,
Oh,
kaya,
gusto ko ng layered. Gusto ko shaggy. Gusto ko barber.
Mga actors, actresses, kasi di ba po, lalo ngayon parang sobrang laganap na yung paggamit ng CGI.
Oh, generated video. AI May movie na ganun, di ba? It was an old movie. Pero hindi siya sci-fi movie or anything. There's this guy, basta luma siya. He created a celebrity na visual lang. Pero hindi AI siya, pero visual lang. Tapos, when she talks, siya pala yung sasalita. May voice over lang.
Cloning din kasi, di ba?
Hindi siya cloning, it's just visual. It's just lumalabas lang sa TV, pero they never see her in real life. Tapos nag-hire lang siya ng actor na kunyari pina-scarf lang. Kunwari siya yung tumawid ng
Yung
hotel.
Yung isa pong napanood ko pong K-drama. So, po siya. Yung main character, mayaman po siya. Tapos galing siya sa ibang bansa. Tapos, sa airport po, naka-private plane eh. So, ang dami pong mga nag-abang, mga fans, ganyan. Tapos, mababa po siya ng stairs po ng airplane. Yung po doon, yung BTS, hagdan lang pala ng airplane. Wala pong airplane, wala rin mga tao. Tapos yung actor lang. Tapos yung mga cameraman po. Ganun po ka-powerful yung CGI.
Grabe.
So they could, so actors, no? And they'll never grow old. Diba?
Tama.
Perfect pa, perfect. Everything.
Kaya balik si Elvis Presley tsaka si Michael Jackson.
Actually, meron na ngayon na
Si Elvis bumalik.
bibili mo yung, halimbawa, yung asawa mo matagal na namatay. Tapos siya,
Sa scan yung face.
yes,
Yeah.
tapos pwede mo siyang bilhin.
Oh. Parang sila na
Yung
suggestion
asawa-
mo, yan yung gusto ko. So,
Mas bata.
mas fresh.
Walang emotion yun. Walang emotion ngayon.
So, hindi kita mamimiss.
Si Arnel, masyado
Pero kung saan ang planeta galing?
AI na po siya.
Nag-time travel yan.
Kaya nga.
Nakakita niya lahat eh. Okay, are we good? Wala nang Wala na ibang
Oo,
career. Pero
sa-
that's a good one, ha? That's a good one, Shane.
Sa susunod na natin sila ipagpa-fire, baka wala na tayong makolek na taxes. Wala na trabaho lahat.
Okay. So, we're good? All good. Thank you. Thank you for this podcast. It was fun. Sa uulitin. So, let's... Yun. Kumain na tayo ng
Wrap up.
ensaymada.